I think I need help. At this point, I think I need help. Somebody should help me, please. Hey, baby. Hey guys, hope you guys are okay. So my daughter today is her sports day in school. Adeze, today is her sports day in school, and I just arrived the venue now. And you guys, I'm late. This is 19 minutes past 12. It started by 1 p.m. Oh God, let me just go cheer my baby girl up. Yeah, let's go cheer the sports girl up. Oh God, I'm late. I'm late. Oh, I could have even parked inside. Well, I didn't even know cars are allowed inside. Okay, let's go. Amy! Ada! Adeze! Adeze! Nice try, baby. So Adeze has finished. Like I told you guys, I came in a bit late, but I was able to watch her do 2 activities. I'm just sitting down here chilling. We'll soon finish, I think in about 10 minutes ish. They'll be finished. So guys, they're finished now. I'll just go grab Adeze and we'll be heading back home. Come here, baby. Hey, baby. I'm proud of you, baby. How many flags did you get? You got sports star, third place. Oh, hey. Proud of you, baby, okay? Let's go here. I'm going to grab. So guys, we are going to pick up Soso from school. Soso, good job, girl. Hi guys, so today is still the same day of Adeze's school sports. Yes, I went. You guys saw everything. Yeah, let me not make this video too long. You guys saw everything. She had a good time. She did well. She did well. So all the activities I was able to see or to meet, she did absolutely well, and I'm proud. I'm proud. So today as well, I stopped by Asda and got these for Adeze, just for a job well done, more like to encourage her for doing well in her sports activity. Yeah, so this is 12 to 13 years, and this was £12, but it was on sales for £6. Can you guys see? So it's 3 in 1 leggings, 1 2 3. And why I went to buy this 12 to 13 years is because of height. Adeze is tall. She's a very tall girl. Yeah, so if I buy her height, it will not even, if I buy her age, it will not even go anywhere. So this one, lengthwise, I feel, see the length, I feel the length will be all right. It might just get right on her ankle. Yeah, let me open it up. So yeah, can you guys see? Lengthwise it will be all right, waist wise it will be okay too. So this will be her perfect size. So this color, I love this color, it's so cute. And this color, lovely color. Adeze has all these leggings. I don't know why. I would just go to buy something instead of me to go straight to where I'm going. I would divert and start going to kiddies section to look for shoes, to look for clothes, to look for toys, to look for hair accessories. I think I need help. At this point, I think I need help. Somebody should help me, please. Right, so I also bought this one. This one is for So. It was sold for $3.25. This one wasn't on sales. I just saw it there. It's a nice top for So. £3.25. Yeah. And then I saw this cute trouser. This trouser was even the first thing I saw. I was like, this is so cute. So we love this trouser. So it's for 6 to 7 years, and it was sold for £16. Can you guys see? £16. Is so lovely. It's so lovely. I love these details here. This bow detail, these patches thingy, all these designs that are going on everywhere. I love. So yeah, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So these are the things I bought at Asda today when I just popped into Asda to check for something. I ended up buying this. What even took me to the Asda? Did I even buy it? I did not even buy it again. Anywho, so while I was downstairs, I had a knock on the door and they delivered this. I'm sure I ordered this from Temu, but I can't even remember when I ordered this or what I ordered. So let's see. I don't even know. What is this one? Okay. Oh, yeah. I remember. See me, I've already forgotten. This is what I ordered to give to Adeze and Soso's teacher. So this one says Miss Thomas. It's a lovely water bottle, so it can keep either hot or cold. Yeah. So I customized it. Her name. So this is Soso's teacher's one. And this is Adeze's teacher's one. Miss Roya. Oh, this is so cute. That would be so excited if I show her this. Oh wow, this is lovely. Oh, I love it already. So the thing is, at the end of every term, I always gift their teachers something. So that's why I ordered this to gift them. The last time I also gifted them something, but it was last minute. I didn't take my time to plan out something nice for them. It was just on that day that school was closed. In fact, that afternoon, that was when I was like, I've not even ordered anything or bought anything for their teachers. And I got what I got last minute, but it was also lovely items. So yeah, for Soso and adult class teachers. I've already forgotten that I ordered something. So what is this? Oh, okay, this is a sports shirt. You guys know I've been doing a lot of sports lately, working out, exercise, walking. So I needed a shirt, and I like this. It has a pocket here. It's a leggings kind of, it's a stretchy kind of shirt. It has 2 pockets. Oh, nice. I'll put my phone in one and put something else. Oh, this is nice. I think I will put the prices of this. I think this one was for either £5, £6 or £7 from Temu. Oh, this is nice. Oh my god, I love the texture. Are you kidding me? See guys, this texture is lovely. If you're looking for something like this, oh god, this is lovely. I love the texture, and I know it will fit me well. Right, what again? Okay, yeah, I remember this top. This African woman design top. Yeah, and I bought it in size what? Size extra large. So yeah, it will fit me. Oh, so cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Isn't it nice? I love already. I love. So this is a belt. That's my oversized jeans that the waist is like boom. So this is just to get it snug, like hold the belt together, hold the waist of whatever it is together. It looks nice. Oh yeah, my waist trainer. Oh, this looks nice. Oh nice. It's very strong. It looks strong. Hey, will this one size me? I thought it's stretchy. Yeah, it's stretchy. So since it's stretchy, it will fit. Oh, nice texture as well. So yeah, nice waist trainer. Let's see what we have here. What is this? Oh, okay. It's a bracelet or something, an anklet. It's an anklet, yeah, I remember. Yeah, it's anklet for the leg. Oh, I love this one. So nice. This is like a leg bracelet, something leg. I can't talk. Leg bead, yeah. Yeah, can you guys see? So nice. This thing here is also to hold an oversized waist trouser, to hold it together. I'll put a picture to show you guys what it's like. Just something like this. I'll put up a picture to show you guys. Okay, this is a hair rubber thing here. Like I've ordered this thing a lot, but they always scatter it. They always show it. I don't know. Yeah, different colors, but these colors are not really bright. They looked brighter in the picture than what I'm seeing. But anywho, another one. Nice, same design with this one. Stick it this end, you peel out the other end. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a double-sided tape. Yeah, it sticks both ends, if you know what I mean. Yep. Nothing again. And this is my new phone pouch. The one I have is okay, but I feel the color is fading off, so I decided to buy this one that has a stand attached to it already. Yeah, so the one I have, that's the one I have. It didn't come with a stand. I bought this magnetic thingy and attached to it. Sometimes when I was using it, it was okay. It wasn't falling off, but it started falling off at some point. I was like, can I swear just drop this and buy a new one? So yeah, let's put the phone. So that's my phone. That's my iPhone. So just put the phone inside like so. I hope it's the size. I don't think this is for iPhone 17 Pro Max because wait. Hey baby.
Hello mommy.
Tie your back, let's see. Hey, put your hand in your pocket. Hey, turn to the front. Hey, turn to the front. It has a headband. Oh, I didn't even see. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. It's got with a headband. Oh, lovely. Go back.
Look like a school.
Hey, tie your back. Hey. Oh, so nice, yeah?
Yeah.
So, me, you like it? Oh.
That's beautiful.
I know. That means this ones will fit too, innit? I go and fold them and put them in your drawer, okay? Look good, baby.
Me.
Miss
Raya.
Who's Miss Raya?
My Raya.
Who is Miss Raya?
My teacher.
So that's your present for your teacher.
The one I get you 3.
No, when you are leaving year 2 now, package it, you give to your teacher, okay? That should be next 2 weeks when school closes. What is this?
My
Miss
Thomas. Miss Thomas.
Yeah, you come down for your teachers, okay? It's extra large, but it's not looking like extra large. It's looking like large because I wanted it to be like oversized, but it's not oversizing. But anyway, it's okay. So that's my leggings. This is Soso's artwork. Soso made this. She said this is mommy, daddy, Soso, and Adeze. I just said let me show you guys. Can you guys see? It's just so cute. So cute. 17 Pro Max. This is the good one. It's nice. I like it for you. Anywho, I got something.
Do what you gotta do.